What is up, guys? Welcome back to the video, and if you're new here, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be doing a couple of runs with the Civic. Not racing anybody in particularly, just going with myself. I've got the Ktuner V app running. I want to check basically what my quarter mile times would be on the Civic on the street with the mods that I have. Little background, if you guys don't know, if you're new to the channel, the mods that I have to my Civic done right now. Well, first of all, it is a 2018 Civic Sport hatchback, 1.5 turbo. I have, as far as mods, I have a PRL Catless downpipe and front pipe. I've got a full Greddy Supreme SP exhaust. I also have PRL Cobra cold air intake, the race version one. I have Ktuner with just the base map in it, the 23 psi, so it's not TSP, it's not fearable, it's just the base off the tune shelf that came with the Ktuner. Unfortunately, I bought mine before TSP was making theirs, their tunes, so I didn't get it included with my Ktuner, unfortunately. But so yeah, so I'm running the base map from Ktuner, 23 psi. And that's pretty much it. I'm on 93 octane, but that's pretty much it as far as performance mods that I have done to the engine. Oh, actually, one more thing I almost forgot. Newest mod, I do have the 271 intercooler and the charge pipes, because it's all 1K. You can't buy just either or. So I do have that. I've got the intercooler, the downpipe, front pipe, Greddy exhaust, PRL cold air intake, and the Ktuner. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the Civic down a private street that I know. Right here, as you can see, I've got my Ktuner on my phone. So that's gonna be running the times for me. Right now it's just on the settings to check all your speed on IATs and all that good stuff, but later on I'll change it to the quarter mile screen, which they do have one if you didn't know. So that's pretty cool about the Ktuner. I like it. Or not the Ktuner, but the Ktuner V app. It's $5 to pay for it, to buy it, but it's pretty cool. You know, it comes with all these features like the quarter mile setting and all that stuff, so you can actually, has a little light tree and everything, so you can know when to go. Or you can set it where it just starts activating the timer as soon as you step on the gas and go, and you don't have to actually wait for the lights to go on, like at the actual drag strip. So we're gonna be running that and see how it goes. Alright, let's see what she's got. Messed up the launch, but it looks like 15.38 seconds in the quarter mile. And I've also just realized it's a very noob mistake, but I forgot to completely disable my traction controller. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and do another run. Let's see. Okay, so as you can probably see in there, I've got my traction control fully turned off, so we can go ahead and try this again. Alright, time for round 2. Let's go. Again, because apparently that time I jumped the light and it didn't really catch me a good time. Let's see what we can get now. bit better. Not much of a difference with the traction control off, but I did launch a bit better now. And I ended up with a 15.062 right there. It's definitely my best time. The first time was a 15.3, and the other two times I've actually managed to jump the light on the freaking tuner view, so it didn't count the time. It just gave me a 0 to 60, which was just over 6 seconds. But then this third time I was able to finally launch it good on a, not bad for at least, I mean, I don't know what a good reaction time would be, but, and I'll put this up on the screen, but apparently it's a 0.43 for a reaction time. It might be bad, I don't know. I'm not used to drag racing, so I'm not sure what's good and what's bad. Looks like 0.60 in 6.1 seconds. But yeah, the quarter mile, 15.062. And the 1/8 mile in 9.92 seconds. Well guys, there it is. That's what my 1.5 turbo does, with basically full bolt-ons and a base map tune from Ktuner. If you guys got, you know, TSP stage 1 or Fearable tune and you've done this before, please let me know down in the comments what you guys got. I would love to know, you know, if there's a big time difference or not between those tunes, because I know they do throw out a little bit more power in those tunes than my base map tune. So I'd like to know if you guys can. Just let me know down in the comments. Let me know what time you guys got in the quarter mile, if you have the tuner view, or if you just went to the drag strip and did it. Let me know either way. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Until next time, take care and have a great day.